In this one, we'll take a look at creating the stand. The stand is another part to this symmetrical, so mirroring the sketch would be a viable option here. Center rectangle to cut the notch out. We do have quite a few angle measurements, but mirroring this with an initial sketch in the front plane would be in your best interest. In inches, I'm going to start my sketch here in the front view. Being that I am going to mirror this on a vertical axis, I'm going to set my overall dimensions, which is 6 inches in length, and overall height of 2.5. Add some of our features that we are going to sketch. Whether you sketch in the right or left hand side wouldn't make a difference. We are going to mirror this. So there's my rough profile. Come in and add some dimensions. I have a 75-degree angle. This is a 45-degree angle. And this relationship here between the top is a 60-degree angle. Linear dimensions, 1 inch across the bottom, 0.62 up from the bottom. And a 1 inch distance in the middle, and 0.70 across the top. Now to mirror this, select the entities that I want to mirror. Mirror it around this central axis, and I am ready to push-pull. This is a push-pull thickness of 3 inches. Center rectangle on this top face would work out quite nicely. Sketching a rectangle using my center rectangle option, I am setting a width of 1 inch and a depth from the front edge of 2. And this is another push-pull feature in creating the stand.